Hello. Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we are going to make a set of four. We're going to count four objects. Okay, this is going to be a short video, but I just want to review this with you guys. Okay, we've been talking about the number four all week. One, two, three, four. Four fingers. All right, go down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a four. All right, we're going to drag four blocks into the circle, okay? One, two, three, four. Four blocks. One, two, three, four. All right. And so this is a very simple activity that I'm showing you. This is a very small, short video. But what I want you to do is I want you to go find some things around your house that you can count out four of them. So leaves from outside, rocks, dolls, Legos, anything. But make a set of four and show mom and dad or grandma. All right. I hope that you guys have a great day. Love you. Bye bye.